right, this just in, it is dark, and it's getting dark a lot earlier than last week as we take a look at what's going on across the region. First and foremost, if you still have the urge to grill, go ahead. There were flakes earlier, but I don't think you have to worry about too many of those flakes tonight. Temperatures in the 20s. Let's get the dogs off and get them on the buns there quickly because temperatures cold enough they won't stay warm long. It feels like 16 out there thanks to winds at 12 miles per hour from the north-northwest. We already have 21 degrees in Langdon, 18 in Langdon rather, 21 in Cavalier. Devil's Lake at 20 and Grand Forks is at 24 with 22 in Bemidji this hour. The cloud cover is starting to show signs of breaking apart now, as we saw on the Skycam earlier with the setting sun, and a few flakes still taking place out in eastern portions of Minnesota. Low pressure system still stuck in Hudson's Bay, causing this northwest flow to continue, and then hit and miss areas of snow and unsettled weather continue here in the valley. It doesn't look like our pattern is going to change much as we go through the next week, as a matter of fact, maybe even longer. Tonight, temperatures in the teens by 10 o'clock for many up north. And overnight, partly to mostly cloudy skies, and any showers of snow should be wrapped up as we go through the overnight hours by morning. But it will be cold. Dare I say single digits possible in the Devil's Lake Basin up by Rolla, Candu, maybe even Walhalla. As we get going through the day, it will be in the teens to get things started. We'll see a chance at some sun early in the day. And as we go towards midday, it looks like that chance will spread off into Minnesota as well, although it's not going to be pristine clear thanks to that low pressure system that's been spinning its wheels up near Hudson's Bay. By the afternoon, snow developing in the central Dakotas. So for most of our viewing area, hey, we're high and dry for the afternoon, but in the evening, a good chance of snow spreading from the Devil's Lake Basin through the southern Red River Valley and into Lakes Country as we head to bed. It'll be measurable on grassy areas, and it will likely, once again, leave us with a very slippery road surface during the overnight. So your Tuesday night into Wednesday morning forecast impacted by some slippery travel conditions, but in the morning, 15 degrees, slowly ramping things up into the low 30s, the best we'll muster. Increasing clouds late, and our winds still be southerly but not too strong for your day tomorrow, with the best chance of snow coming well after the dinner hour here in Fargo. It looks like 28 for Devil's Lake for your afternoon drive home, 25 up in the Langdon area, 29 Grand Forks, 24 for Roseau, and in Lakes Country near 30. Best chance at 30 plus degree weather will be from Fargo and points south and west. Here's a Robin in there trying to get a little extra snack, it looks like, at West Fargo. Thanks so much for uploading, Doris. Here's a look at your planning forecast for the work week. More of the same. Temperatures near 30. Remember, tomorrow night, Tuesday night into Wednesday, a chance of some slippery road conditions. So Wednesday, first thing in the morning, could be a little slippery for some. Looks a little quieter from the skies on Thursday and Friday, but the Bison game could bring a few flurries in the forecast. And Friday looks like the warmest day of the period there, 36 degrees. Mike, you may want to grab some shorts and the grill and get on out there and get it done, because after that, we're in the 20s.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Thanks for the advice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Hutch.
Always.